Hi, my name is Brad Micklin. I'm an attorney and managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in empowering men and fathers in divorce, custody, and family law matters, with offices in Nutley, Montclair, and Saddlebrook, New Jersey. Many people will ask, how easy is it to get a restraining order? And I say, and I apologize if it sounds half-hearted, that it's like judges give out candy on Halloween. They're easy to get, and they should be. The domestic violence statute is intended to protect people against egregious physical abuse and harm. So our statute is created in such a way to give a very swift, very rigid relief to a victim of domestic violence with little proof and little testimony. The reason is, historically, people would find that police, when called for a domestic violence matter, were often either unable or unwilling to get involved. So a basic question, for instance, if you go out on the street and you strike somebody, you get arrested and you get prosecuted. If you go home and strike your spouse, you get a restraining order. And the reason is because police historically wouldn't or couldn't get involved in what they thought were family matters. So victims of domestic violence were often left without any protection. So our state created, and many states created, a process that removes all discretion from police officers. If you believe that you're a victim of domestic violence, you are entitled 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year to get a restraining order. If it's during business hours, you go to the courthouse where you live. If it's after business hours, like weekends and holidays, you contact the local police department where the incident occurred, not necessarily your home, but where the incident occurred. And there is a municipal court judge or some judge on call every day so that you have this protection no matter what day or time it is. Additionally, it's not challenging to receive a restraining order because the defendant, the person who receives the restraining order against him or her, is supposed to have a trial within 10 days. So the relief that is often granted in a restraining order, like possession of the home, custody of the children, is supposed to be short-lived so that the defendant gets to be heard in court relatively promptly so that their rights are not prejudiced by a long delay. If you'd like more information on any of these topics, you can go to our website at micklinlawgroup.com.